5 proven strategies to rapidly achieve 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. If you're a content creator on YouTube, you know that reaching 4,000 watch hours is a major milestone. It's one of the requirements to start earning money from your videos. But for many, especially those just starting, it seems like a huge challenge. However, a successful YouTube creator has shared 5 key strategies that can help you achieve this goal in as little as a week. These methods are simple, practical, and have been tested on multiple channels. Why watch hours matter? Before diving into these strategies, it's important to understand what watch hours are and why they matter. Watch hours are the total amount of time that viewers spend watching your videos. YouTube uses this metric to gauge how engaging your content is. The more watch hours you have, the more YouTube will promote your video to new audiences. That's why reaching 4,000 watch hours is so critical for monetization. Tip number 1, create longer videos. One of the most effective ways to accumulate watch hours is by making longer videos. Why? Because longer videos keep viewers on YouTube's platform for extended periods, which is exactly what the platform favors. For example, a 15-minute video that retains viewers for 10 minutes will generate more watch time than a 3-minute video watched in full. Even if your content is concise, find ways to extend it without sacrificing quality. This could mean adding more examples, deeper explanations, or related topics. The goal is to provide value while keeping viewers engaged for longer. Tip number 2, utilize playlists. Playlists are a powerful yet often overlooked feature on YouTube. They allow you to group related videos together, which encourages viewers to watch multiple videos in a row. This binge watching effect significantly boosts your watch hours. For instance, if you have a playlist of 10-minute videos, a viewer who watched the entire playlist will contribute 100 minutes to your watch time. You can even create a playlist of your longest videos and let it run on a loop using your own devices or friend's phone to accumulate watch hours passively. Remember, the key is to organize your playlist around themes that make sense to your audience. Tip number 3, leverage shorts. Short-form videos, known as shorts, are YouTube's answer to TikTok. While they are typically under 60 seconds, they can be a goldmine for attracting new viewers. Here's how. Shorts can go viral quickly, bringing a flood of new subscribers to your channel. Moreover, you can use shorts to promote your longer videos. For example, create a short that teases a key moment from a long-form video and include a link to the full video. This way, viewers who enjoy the short may transition to your longer content, adding to your watch hours. Some creators have even reported that a single viral short generates enough watch time to meet the 4,000-hour requirement. Tip number 4, host live streams. Live streaming is another excellent way to rack up watch hours. When you go live, YouTube often prioritizes your stream in recommendations, leading to higher real-time viewership. After the stream ends, the recording remains on your channel as a regular video, continuing to accumulate watch hours. You can even use tools like Restream to broadcast pre-recorded video as live streams, which is a great way to repurpose content. For those just starting, even a simple live stream such as a Q&A session or a walk in a scenic location can attract viewers. The key is to be consistent and interactive. Tip number 5, bonus tip for maximum retention. Beyond the core strategies, the creator offers 2 bonus tips. First, design your videos to keep viewers watching until the end. This could involve promising a valuable tip upfront or using engaging storytelling techniques. Higher retention rates signal to YouTube that your content is worth promoting. Second, capitalize on trends. By creating content around trending topics, you can ride the wave of existing interest and attract new viewers. Just make sure to tie the trend back to your niche so it feels authentic. Putting it all together, the creator emphasizes that you don't need to implement all 5 strategies at once. Even focusing on 1 or 2 can yield significant results. For instance, combining longer videos with playlists or shorts with live streams can create a synergistic effect. The most important thing is to start applying these tips consistently. As the creator says, within 1 week, especially by going live, you'll see your watch hours soar. Conclusion: reaching 4,000 watch hours doesn't have to take months. By following these proven strategies, creating longer videos, using playlists, leveraging shorts, hosting live streams, and optimizing for retention, you can achieve this milestone quickly. Remember, success on YouTube is about working smart, not just hard. So pick a strategy, apply it today, and watch your watch hours grow. Many of my listeners, like 70%, haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. And so many of you don't even know that you haven't subscribed. And that is actually what makes the show going. It's almost like you're making a charity donation to the show. So that's why I ask again and again, because it's enabled us to grow and grow and grow and grow. And we're going for the long haul here. And listen, if this is your first time listening to Sokhain Rich, you don't have to subscribe. You guys, you're first ones on me. But if you have watched this show before, it's like you are a freeloader now. So all I would ask you is, if you have seen this show before and you like it, help me, help my team here. Hit the subscribe button and we will continue to build this show for you. That I swear, thank you to all of you guys that have subscribed. You guys mean a lot to me. Hit the subscribe and like button now. Now.